Okay. In this video, we're going to talk about adjusting your water heater temperature. For the purposes of this video, we'll be working with an electric water heater. You may have gas, you may have an electric water heater, you may even have an oil-fired water heater. But today's water heater is going to be an electric. First steps first. Before we even touch the water heater, let's make sure we kill the electricity. I'll show you where to do that. All right, in this home, the breaker controlling the water heater is this 220 volt breaker. It's labeled water heater. We're going to turn the breaker to the off position to ensure that we kill electricity or electrical power to the water heater before we begin to alter the temperature and open it up. That's for safety. Back to the water heater. Okay, now that I have turned off the breaker to the water heater, I'm going to open it up. There's an upper element in this water heater and a lower element. I'll remove the screws. Some element housings have 2 screws, some have 1 screw at the top and it slides out of the bottom. You'll figure yours out, it's pretty easy. If you can't figure that part out, you should probably call somebody to do this. All right, once the element cover's been removed, because I killed the breaker, I think the power's off, but I like to trust but verify. So I'm going to use my voltage tester, tap a few wires that I know should be hot. If they don't read as being hot, I'm going to proceed. Water heater temperature is controlled here. If you look, it's currently set at 125 degrees. That's going to be your manufacturer's recommended setting. I recommend you leave it somewhere between 120 and 125. Going above 125 will increase the energy consumption and increase the potential for a hot water hazard, scalding, burning. Going below doesn't cause any hazard and will reduce energy consumption. So if you can tolerate the water at a lower temperature, certainly do that. Adjusting it is very simple. Screwdriver into the slot, dial it down lower, dial it up higher, but again, we don't want to go past 125. Now, there's a similar setup in the lower element housing. They both work the same. When adjusting the temperature, both can be adjusted. All right, that's our video on adjusting the water heater temperature. If you have any questions about that, please email me at info@rightinspector.com. I'll post a link to that in the description box. If you have a topic you'd like to talk about or have me cover, please let me know. Thanks for watching.